Dumelang Sanbonani. I will be dropping this one in the language my people were colonized in so that the message delivers handle. So I will try to say this in the English language so that you do not try to decipher what it is I'm saying. I see a lot of people are triggered. I see a lot of people are hyperventilating. I see a lot of people want to bring it on, and I'm saying bring it on because I touched the word Kemet, I touched the word ancient Egypt, I touched the word ancient Kemet, maybe Kush Kemet, I touched too. And what I want to make clear is that I will not be stopping. Every season that enters, I will be mentioning the principles. I will be mentioning what Medu nature is. I will be mentioning how history got whitewashed. I will be mentioning that the people that currently reside there now as a result of an invasion. All right, the Greeks, they came, they learned, and then there was an Arabic invasion, and how the initial pictures or initial messages that were left were whitewashed. So if this is an attempt to intimidate me, I am not stopping. I will be talking about myself, and I do not want to be explaining why I'm talking about myself as a black melanated carbon being, and to drop fact on history. So those are facts, and it is a fact that the word Kemet means land of the blacks. Go argue with, I don't know, whoever it is you want to argue with, but what I'm saying is I'm not intimidated. I will not be stopped. Thank you. I hope that is clear. Thanks. Oh, sorry. Signing out, the stoned queer. I will be dropping, and I will not be intimidated because I'm queer. I'm not allowed to talk about black issues. I'm not stopping. That's what I'm saying. Thank you.